Hello everyone, I'm Vishali Man and today I'll be talking about India's Forex Reserve Kitty. Yes, India's Forex Reserve Kitty now stands at the lifetime high of $643 billion. It has happened for the first time in the history of India that India has got such a high amount of Forex reserves. And the main, largely, the credit goes to bigger companies' fundraising activities. Like Reliance has just raised such a huge amount, as well as companies like Kotak Mahindra Bank have also raised such a huge amount from the foreign company or countries, right? And now India stands at third place in the world in holding forex reserve kitty of such a huge amount, leaving behind countries like Russia and South Korea. Now India is at the top three holders of forex reserve. The top three holders of forex reserves are: first country is China, second Japan, and now India is at third spot, right? And yes, like we have talked earlier also, the inflows are mainly because of FDIs and debt raise activities done by the domestic financial domestic companies as well as the NBFCs. And there are many advantages of holding such a high amount of reserve. For example, RBI can directly intervene into the forex market so as to arrest any devaluation in the Indian rupee. As it can be seen through the PPT also, India is holding such a huge amount, and it is largely because of capital raising rounds by Reliance, Kotak Mahindra Bank also. And as you all know that it benefits the nation in many ways. For example, one of the biggest advantages would be that the rupee devaluation would not take place. For example, as you can see in the PPT also, after hitting a record low of 76.92 in the month of April 2020, rupee has got recovered 2% from that record low, right? So RBI can intervene that. And not only this, the one of the main advantages was that recently the global rating agency with the name of S&P, that is Standard and Poor, has not downgraded India's sovereign ratings, which will help in further stabilizing the future outlook of the nation as well. So as you can see that the confidence of global investors is increasing in India. That is why with the foreign flows are coming in such a at such a huge amount in India, which will it is coming not only in the sunrise sectors, rather in the larger entities like Reliance Industries, that is into the business of mature industries, we can say. So yes, it clearly indicates the confidence of global investors in India. Thank you.